Since many of you write in the comments that my tools are only for video and there is no benefit from them, today my wife and I decided to do a challenge. We have this amount of electrical cable waste that we will recycle. My wife will extract copper only with a knife, and I will use my tools and see who can do it faster. For those who think that I have a weak opponent, I want to disappoint you. She has cleaned more than a ton of wires in her life, and she always helps me with this. To begin with, we straighten all the wires and cut them into pieces up to 1 meter long. This is done to make it easier to strip the insulation later. I divided these wires into 2 equal parts, one part for me and the other for my wife, and now we can start removing the top insulation from the cable. First, I will cut the insulation from the thinnest cable using this tool that I made myself. Friends, I will be very grateful to you if you subscribe to me and write a comment. My wife is doing very well, and so far she doesn't lag behind me. I've already removed all the top insulation from the cable, and now I am starting to strip the wires. So far I am ahead. I have already managed to strip so many wires in literally 15 minutes. And my wife is just starting. We are working on so that she does not overtake me. This is what happened, my friends. This is all the copper from my batch of wires. Let us check how my wife is doing. As you can see, I won this challenge. Now I will help my wife strip all the wires, and then we will weigh all the copper. We got almost 15 kilograms of copper. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in a week. I love you.